Hey friends, if you wish to change your username for tracking in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. Now, assuming you're in the Home tab, you go to the Review tab and click on Track Changes. There's no option for it. You click on Tracking or Not. It does not give any specific option to change the username because you can choose to get the data tracked or not. That is a different thing, but you cannot change the username for it. If you have to change the username, you will have to change it for the entire document or entire Microsoft Office. So go to File, select Options. In the General tab, you'll find the username here. You can change the username to something else, like I'll make it Karan Khanna, okay, and the initials as KK, okay, and I'll click on OK. So it will change it for the document, it will change it for all documents, it will change it for all office related documents, but it will not change it for tracking alone. So if I have to change the username, then I will have to change it for everything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.